This program is a Python script that monitors the status of McDonald's ice cream machines across the world and displays the results on a live, interactive map. It's based on data collected from the McBroken service, which tracks whether each McDonald's location has a working or broken ice cream machine. When the program runs, it retrieves the most recent marker data from the McBroken API, stores it locally as a JSON file, and then converts that information into a CSV file for easier handling. Each record includes details such as the restaurant's latitude and longitude, its country, state, city, and street address, whether its ice cream machine is working or broken, and the time it was last checked. Once the data has been organized, the script uses the Folium mapping library to plot each restaurant on an interactive world map. The map begins centered on North America but can automatically zoom into a specific city if one is provided. Each McDonald's location appears as a marker on the map, with green icons representing restaurants where the ice cream machine is working and red icons showing where it's broken. When you click on a marker, a pop-up appears with all the information about that specific store, including its address, status, and the last time the machine's condition was updated. The markers are grouped together using clustering, which makes the map easier to explore even when there are thousands of locations in view. To make the experience clearer, the script adds a simple legend box in the corner of the map that explains the color coding and gives basic instructions. It also displays the exact time the map was last updated, so viewers know how fresh the information is. After the map is created, the program saves it as an HTML file called McBroken_map HTML and automatically opens it in your default web browser. From there, you can zoom, pan, and click through different regions to see how the ice cream situation looks across cities and countries. One of the most useful features of this script is that it can refresh itself on a timer. The refresh rate is adjustable, meaning you can choose how often the map should update with new information from McBroken. For example, every 5 minutes. If a machine goes from broken to working, or vice versa, that change will automatically appear the next time the map reloads. You can also filter the view to show only locations with working machines, or only those that are broken, depending on what you're interested in. And if you're curious about a specific city, you can enter its name so the map zooms directly to that region instead of showing the entire world. The overall goal of this script is to provide a simple but fun way to visualize live operational data from thousands of McDonald's restaurants. It turns a small, quirky dataset into something interactive and informative, allowing anyone to quickly see patterns, like which cities have the most broken machines or whether certain regions tend to have more outages at specific times. With just a few libraries and a data source, the program combines automation, data conversion, mapping, and visualization into one smooth workflow, all while answering one of the most important questions of our time. Can you actually get ice cream at McDonald's tonight?